The most promising ultra-luxury residential project is taking shape right here at Raidurgam, Gachibowli. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. I'm Abhinav from Raghava, a brand synonymous with world-class projects, top-notch quality and trust. I'm excited about the pace at which the construction is happening, and I take immense pleasure in updating you about the construction progress as on 7th April 2025. The project comprises of 3 towers and each tower has 4 level basements. Today, we are going to showcase the current status and also the rapid progress that we have made in construction over the last 6 months. In Tower 1, 4 basements and stilt floor are 100% completed. First to 23rd floor works are 100% completed. The 24th floor works are in progress. In Tower 2, 4 basements and stilt floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 30th floor are 100% completed. The 31st floor works are in progress. In Tower 3, 4 basements and stilt floor are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 22nd floor are 100% completed. The 23rd floor works are in progress. The clubhouse raft works are 100% completed. Basement level 4 works are 100% completed. Basement level 3 works are in progress. Likewise, basement level 2 works are in progress. Our endeavor is to ensure absolute transparency in delivering unparalleled quality at every stage of construction and to provide you regular monthly insights of IRIS project progress.